Welcome back to Boating Journey. This week we're touring a 2021 Princess Y85 named Record Year. She is 86 feet long with a beam of 20 feet 10 inches and sits in the water at a depth of 5 feet 9 inches. She is powered by twin-man V12 engines pushing out 1,900 horses. She has 4 staterooms and 5 heads to accommodate you and all your friends. Record Year is currently listed at $5,990,000. Let's check her out. Welcome back to Boating Journey. We appreciate your support. Take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button now. The swim platform is absolutely massive, with room for your personal watercraft or tender when you don't want to crane it up to the upper aft deck. After taking a few steps up to the cockpit, we find a very comfortable and large seating area. In addition, we have a TV, a chest refrigerator, and a barbecue next to it under the towels. To port, we have a side entrance integrated into the gunnel. We make our way. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look at that. We'll pull out for the controls. As we make our way forward along the port side, step up. Oh, nice. Okay. Again, I like that these are a little recessed, although I gotta say, maybe a little close to the seating area. Could be a little bit of a tripping hazard there. I understand they're trying to maximize this space as much as possible. And you have a huge seating area. You have sun pads here for laying out. I'm sure they're adjustable, as well as a seating area in here. And on this hot day in Palm Beach, it is nice to have this shade overhead. But it makes for a really nice sundowner area. Yeah, you can get used to that. The crew was cleaning a bit on the starboard side, so we'll return aft along port. There was no big surprises to the starboard, so let's head up to the upper deck. Okay, so Record Year. Let's see, what do we have here as I turn? Okay. You have a crane here. Nice place to store your dinghy, but when the dinghy's in the water, this gives you plenty of extra space. You also have a retractable shade here, so extends beyond just the hardtop. Nice convertible sun pad here. Great seating area. I like the muted grays. Do like the trim work. Coming up into here, we have the wet bar. Here I'm sure is fridge. Storage. Refrigerator. Very nice. Moving forward. Oh, we have the center console with I like this kind of horseshoe seating around it. Sitting in the captain's seat, very comfortable. Great clearance, great viewing. You can check out all the full Helm specs at the end of this tour. This recesses back into the dash to protect it. Up above we have a convertible hardtop with retractable top in order to let the sun in. Oh, And one thing I didn't check out behind the bar, didn't notice this. Move this just out of the way here. Oh, look at that. Wolf. Wow, we have a wolf induction. Wolf induction as well as a grill. Very nice. But that's heavy duty. Overall, the upper deck is very roomy and would be a fun place to hang out throughout your cruise. Now, let's go check out the interior. Entering the Salon feels like entering a boat with a beam much wider than Record Year's nearly 21-foot beam. To port, we have a large U-shaped sofa wrapping around a large round table. The large vertical windows let in so much natural light. Across the Salon to starboard is another long sofa to extend your seating options. Forward of the Salon, we have a bar seating at the galley counter and formal dining for 6 to starboard. From here, as we continue forward, we find the dayhead tucked starboard aft of the interior helm. The helm station features a U-shaped settee to port and helm to starboard. Again, you can check out all the specs at the end of the tour. Before heading down below to check out the staterooms, we will make a quick stop in the galley. The galley features a large sink, full-sized fridge with dual fridge drawers and dual freezer drawers, cooktop, oven, dishwasher, and plenty of storage throughout, just as you would expect. So now let's go check out where you will be sleeping after you purchase this boat. Downstairs. Okay, go forward. And it looks like we have 2 twin beds here. 2 very large hanging lockers. So going into the ensuite, we do have a little bit of a step up. We have a toilet, sink, and then a frosted shower door that actually opens in with an overhead shower head and handheld wand. So from here, we can go across the hall. We have a hanging locker, a little desk behind the door. We have our ensuite, again with a little bit of a step up. Sink, toilet, and again a frosted shower. So from here, we can continue up to the V-berth VIP. Here we have, again, the ensuite, single shower, the VIP is, I will say, a little loud, and we're even in calm waters, so I can see where it could be a little loud if you're anchored out somewhere. Here we have a nice walk-in closet. Semi walk around. Perfect. Now from here, we're going to make our way back aft Yep. Into the full beam primary. Sofa. King bed. Prep desk. Storage. Here we have dual door hanging locker on that side. Again, another large hanging locker on this side. Storage down below. And then as we make our way past the framed in TV, we have our primary ensuite, which again has 2 sinks, separate water closet, good size. And on the other side, we have our shower, which is a little bit larger. We have the overhead shower, and I'm sure behind the door we have all the hand controls. Very nice. Overall, this is a great boat. A little too big for the loop, but perfect for those weekend getaways to the Bahamas. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment down below. Now, record year's specs. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. And share it with all your family and friends. We would love to have them join our journey as well. We appreciate your ongoing support. Until next time, see ya!